Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a speed clean and organize of my fridge. I mentioned I was going to do this in my last grocery haul. This was right after that last grocery haul and after a Costco haul, so I'm just putting everything away. This is kind of what I do when I go to the store. I take everything out, I clean it, and so I brought you along today. So let's get to it. So as I just said, I kind of start by taking everything out. So before I even put the groceries away, obviously, I kind of make piles of the new groceries and then I clean the fridge like you're going to see right now. And I go from top to bottom. So I'm taking everything off of the top shelf. Then I'm going in with my Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. You guys know I've been loving that lately. And I'm just cleaning each individual shelf. And on the top shelf, I have my DIY fridge deodorizer. It's basically just a ramekin full of baking powder or baking soda, excuse me, and then I add some lime juice. Lime juice, oh my god, lime oil. I'm a mess. You add I have the giggles now. You put in lime oil, mix it up, and then I just keep it in the back of the fridge, and it makes everything smell nice and fresh. And then I'm just putting everything back, so the top row is kind of like drinks and such. Milk, orange juice, almond milk, that kind of thing. And then the next row, I kind of do like cheeses and like salsa. You'll see what I mean. It's like tubbed goods and my fruit. You're supposed to keep berries as close to the top as possible, but for some reason my berries freeze on the very top shelf, so I keep them on the middle shelf. But I have things like backup salsa, cream cheese, my Greek yogurt, there's my regular salsa, I have some ricotta cheese, some bruschetta sauce that I love, and then I keep my Rose fresh face mask from Lush in there, and then some mango. Then I'm just working my way down. I took out everything from the bottom shelf and then the little like cubby in between the shelf and the drawer, and I'm just cleaning that really well. I like to lift it up clean underneath as well, again with my Thieves Cleaner. Then I'm putting everything back, so I put my eggs on this like miniature shelf. I have my ground turkey and some leftover chicken. My cucumber, which I said in my last grocery haul that they're called courgettes in the UK, but that's a zucchini. That's not a cucumber, so don't listen to me. I have my broccoli and cauliflower, my mushrooms. I like to keep all of my like fresh veggies on this shelf. My onions, my tomatoes, and I shifted things a little bit because I had some leftover tzatziki from a Greek restaurant. And then I am cleaning out the drawer of cheeses and meats. I keep my like deli meats and all the cheese that we have in this drawer. So again, just giving it a good wipe with my Thieves Cleaner. I love this cleaner because it's non-toxic and like safe to be around food. So it's perfect for the fridge. But then I'm loading up the drawer again with all of my shredded cheeses. We have mozzarella, cheddar, Mexican blend. Bradley has his, what are those called? String cheese. I hate string cheese, but Bradley loves them. I have these chicken sausages that I like to use to make soup. I love the Laughing Cow cheeses, and I got a pack at Costco. We have our pepperonis from Trader Joe's we like to snack on, my roast beef, and then some turkey breast, and oh, the unexpected cheddar cheese, the best. And that is it for the meats and cheeses drawer. Then down at the bottom, I like to keep more beverages. I don't know why I separate them like that, but I do, just because I don't have room for all of them on one shelf, and these are the two tallest shelves. So we have some of Bradley's beer. He clearly needed to pick up some more. We have a seltzer water. Those are my brother's favorites, so I keep one on hand for him when he comes over. Some hint waters. I have my Evolution juices, a pineapple cold pressed juice from Trader Joe's, which is really good. Those Defense Up organic Evolution juices and a watermelon juice. And I'm just kind of playing around with the organization here, you know, moving things around. I really like this to be like fridge goals when you open it. Like all the beverages look pretty, so that's what I'm doing there. Then I'm moving on to the two bottom drawers. This first one I keep like lettuce in, and then the bottom is the crisper drawer, so I keep like apples and bell peppers and all that crap. And I actually decided to take that drawer out and wash it in the sink because it was pretty gross. Then I am loading back up the spinach and salad mixes. I have my celery, my shredded carrots, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing to this bottom drawer, clean it up in the sink. And I also, look how gross it was down there, so that was necessary. So just, you know, getting on my hands and knees and cleaning away, getting rid of all the dirt and grime. It looks so much better afterwards. I couldn't believe how like gross it was. So this is necessary to do every once in a while, people. So then I put the drawer back, and then I am filling it up. I have my radishes, my bell pepper, I had some leftover green beans, and an apple. And that is it, you guys. I didn't do the side door of the fridge because I don't do that as often because we don't really like buy a whole lot to go in the side door. I don't know. This was filmed a little bit ago, so I will probably like redo this in my kitchen spring cleaning video, which will be coming. I'm leaving to go to North Carolina for this week for my dog's birthday and for Easter, but then when I'm back, the spring cleaning will commence. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little fridge cleaning video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!